Hi, this is Nancy Best, and I am at the Lodge at Pace Park Airbnb, and I'm doing a video because this place is super cool. Sleeps 9, 10-ish if you count the couch. I'm going to walk you through, and when you see these views, you are definitely going to want to book here in Salado, Texas. Here we are at the walk up to the lodge. They've actually got a second Airbnb called the Cabin, but we're going into the lodge. The reason it is the Lodge at Pace Park is because we actually have a park right down the hill down there around the corner where kids can play, and it's all along Mill Creek. So we actually have a chamber event here tonight, so we're going to be running into some folks. When you walk in, you got this really great dining, eating area. Some really great decor. There's the kitchen. So I'm going to start by walking through the master. So through here, we have a really nice bedroom. King size bed with a little desk area. Walks through, and you have a bathroom, a cool little shiplap, walk-in shower, so coming out of this bathroom, it opens up to a back patio, and this is your view, and this is the backside of Salado Creek. So if you're staying here, you're going to have this outdoor patio area, and you're going to have this entire back porch to sit and enjoy yourselves. Off the patio, there's a living area, so you can watch TV, hang out, while you're taking in this super cool view. So nice little patio door to get out. We'll head out here because our Salado Chamber members are being a little bit obnoxious at our event. So out here you've got a grill. Nice place to sit and eat and be in the shade and just enjoy this beautiful view. Across the way is Barrow Brewery. I can't think of any reason why you wouldn't want to make this Airbnb your very first pick, because I just want to find some people to come Airbnb so I can come hang out with them. So coming back in, this is another bedroom.
Oh, Nancy, that was my toe.
Hey, such characters. And a couple more sleeping beds here. You've got 4 bunk beds in this room. This is where you put the kids. Another bathroom. Goes through to a laundry room, so you can actually do a little bit of laundry while you're here. And opens up to a really nice big kitchen area. And here we are back at the front. So having the Salado Chamber event out here at the lodge at Pace Park Airbnb was super convenient because I had no idea how awesome it was. And I just want to tell everyone, if you are looking for an Airbnb, you'll find the link where you're watching this video. And it's a great place to be right in the middle of everything. Come to Salado, stay at this lodge, rent a golf cart for the weekend, have a great time. Thanks for watching and have a great day.